SEO Guidelines Search Engine Marketing. Website Design Enhancement Rules, otherwise called search engine optimization, set the principles utilized by significant web crawlers like Google, Yahoo, MSN, and so forth to judge whether or not to remember a site for their web search tool results. There are search engine marketing rules that oversee which sites are incorporated and was prohibited from their outcomes. Website Design Enhancement Guidelines, thou shall. It appears glaringly evident, isn't that right? When found, and they will be found, these sites are restricted. All things considered, center around giving valuable substance your guests are looking for and updating your site now and again with new substance. Here are a few significant site improvement techniques to stay away from while utilizing SEO strategies on your site. These are untrustworthy procedures that might prompt having your sites eliminated from the Google list. That damages. When restricted, your site won't show up in Google results or accomplice destinations. Website optimization rules. Boycott interface cultivates that make different connections to your web page to raise your page rank by untrustworthy means. Website design enhancement rules, search engine optimization. Make website pages liberated from stowed away texts and connections that are seen simply by the web search tools. All things being equal, use web crawler promoting methodologies without diverting to different destinations. Rather than trash content, website streamlining advances helpful peruser content. Do you like to peruse the same thing once more? Read the same thing once more. Read the same thing once more. Neither does the web index. All things considered, web crawlers are individuals as well. WordPress optimization. SEO in Sydney. SEO Sydney Agency. SEO engine search optimization. Optimize search engine optimization for search engines. Search engine Optim.